Man, what a great day on the water. I took out a couple ladies and put them on some redfish early. The redfish bite died down pretty quick, and through a little bit of struggling, we made some changes and switched some spots, and ended up catching a bunch of drum, a flounder. It was a really good day. I had a great time fishing with these two ladies, and my redfish was caught on a topwater Rapala Skitter V, a red and white one, and the other lady was using live shrimp, and the other one was using a wake bait. So she hooked into a big one. It was a overslot red, I'm pretty sure. So, but yeah, it was a great day. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Damn, look at that school. Golly. There's a whole school of them over there. Oh, this is gonna be an instant hookup. Oh, baby. Can I reach it? Not yet. Not yet. It's a whole school of them. Good cast. Good cast. What the hell, man? Oh, boy. Golly. God. Damn, man. Can't believe you missed it. That was a good strike. I got him. I got you that time, boy. I got you that time. God, he's a good one too. Yeah, baby. He finally got it in his mouth. Golly, he's a good one. That's upper slot. Definitely an upper slot. Open your mouth, man. Open your mouth. There you go. All right. Hey, y'all come over here. Nice one. Let's see what we got. He probably about 25. Let's see. 26. A little over 26. Cast in there. That was redfish. He missed it? Yeah. Just keep working that area. You got him? There you go. Good job, girl. She got one too. Doubled up, man. Hell yeah.
I'm gonna lose it.
Just be patient, keep tension on it. Get out of the way.
Got him.
You got him, good deal. Nice red too. No, just stay, just bring him into you. Bring him into you. I'll help you land him when.
I better not go any further than this.
Just bring him in around this grass. I'm gonna move out of it.
I know. Look at this. You think it's a gar?
No, it's a big red. Just be patient with him, and once he starts.
He's busting my line.
Oh, damn. She's...
The one that got away. Isn't that funny? I'm joking, it is funny.
No, it sucks to lose a good fish.
Shit, we probably lost the reds too, huh?
It was a redfish. It was a good one too. Yours was maybe over. Okay, I'm gonna go help Melissa.
Yeah. I'm ready to catch another one.
Did you get it off already?
Yeah.
Okay, you put it.
Put it on a screen or something.
Yeah, that's a real nice red.
I saw his fin come out the water.
Uh-huh.
I was like, oh, that one's gonna go get my shrimp.
And he went and got it.
Yep. Is that a keeper?
Yours is. No, this one is a keeper. She said it wouldn't fit in the net. I don't know. I don't know if that's what she said or not. Do you think the line broke, or you think the knot come undone? Could you tell?
No, it popped. It went pow.
Oh.
I felt that.
Look,
It busted.
you want to make sure your drag is a little bit loose for when they run.
It was, I had it loose and I had to tighten it, but it was still pulling. It was,
She got another one.
absolutely.
That should be okay about like that.
That pissed me off, dude.
I know, I'm sorry.
It is what it is. You think they ran out?
They may have. I got to look at the water again. Actually, you see.
Look in front of Melissa. There's some.
Yeah, there's something right there. Don't let it dip in.
Ouch. That hurt.
There's a bunch of activity right behind you though. There was a school. I seen the school. I made a few casts and then he missed it. Three casts later, he popped it and I got that one. But this is some activity over here. When you get set up, come this way a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, you see that right there?
Yeah.
That's redfish. So, Kat, I'm gonna keep going further. You work that area.
Okay.
Can you see the wake? He's swimming to the left. Just follow that wake and cast in front of that wake. So I know they're right on the shore. I don't want to spook them, so I paddle out away from the shore and give them plenty of room and try to get back. Then I'll cut over a little bit towards the grass, you know, the shore. Because I know, I mean, redfish hold on the shorelines. Not that they don't go, golly, look at that. Not that they don't go in the middle too, but most of the time they're relatively tight with that shore. We're going to try to be as quiet as we can. It's a school, but there's also some right here. So which one do you target? Well, the ones that are schooled up tend to freaking bite. So we'll try to hook into that school over there. I'm not seeing them anymore, but I know about where they are. Whoa. Oh boy, he popped it and he spooked. One popped it and one spooked. There you go. There you go. Golly, it's a flounder. You're not hooked good either. A keeper flounder too. Y'all see him come out of the water? Oh, he's gonna get off. I don't have a net. Let's see if I can just grab him. Uh-oh. Let me see if I can just grab him. There you go. Yeah, he ain't going nowhere. Alright, look at that, man. On a freaking wake bait. That's how you grip them, just like that. Unless you're not keeping them, then you don't do it like that. Just got to be 14. I know he's about 15 or so. Oh man, he's 17. All right, be still, man. I'm trying to figure out which direction to go here. Did you bring a bag cooler for the fish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's put these in there. I don't want that flounder to come off. The reds won't come off, but I don't know about the flounder.
Right.
You might have to take some of that ice out. I wouldn't make noise like this if we were gonna fish here. Well, we gotta go. We gotta make a move. All right. You put them in through that way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see.
You're still drumming.
Yeah.
Nice one. You're gonna have some good eating.
These are y'all's.
What?
Y'all are gonna take these home.
Don't tempt me with it.
Yeah, I don't really keep and eat fish that often.
Close your mouth.
fit?
I don't know. Ow.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. You're okay. Just bring it. No, he's not gonna fit. He's way too big. Sorry.
We're gonna get him in there.
One way. Oh no.
Got one more.
Come on with your bad self. Shit, I don't think two will fit in.
Well, if we catch any more, we'll just keep them on the stringer. I think we can get one more in there.
Oh.
Pick his head up and push his head in there. There you go.
Alright.
You got a zipper on? No, you gotta do the outside. Pain in the butt, but we got it.
Teamwork makes a dream work, bro.
Y'all want to move again, or you want to stay here?
We're gonna move again. There ain't shit here.
Okay.
You got one?
It's a drum. But if it's
How
a,
big do they have to be?
it's a keeper. If it's a drum,
It's a keeper if it's a drum.
they only have to be 14 inches. Yeah, it's a little red.
Is it?
Wait a minute. No, it's a drum. I'm sorry.
I was like, wait a minute, don't look
It is a drum. He might be a little bit short though.
Little.
Actually, it's a keeper. It's 15. So we'll keep him if you want to.
Yep, we'll keep 'em.
Okay. Well, that cork is moving all over the place. Is he on? Yep. He was on. He gonna keep.
Looks like Justin.
It is Justin.
I watch all your videos.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
I got a weight bait hanging right there.
Yeah.
Only caught about 2 fish and 1,000 casts.
They were biting good earlier. We got a couple keeper reds, a flounder, and now we're trying for drum.
I had one hook up. He spit the hook.
Yeah.
See if I can go find the other creek that goes up in there.
Yeah, it's just right over there by those poles.
I enjoy your videos. Keep them up.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate you watching.
Hope you get rich. If I wasn't retired and poor, I'd send you some money.
All right. You have a good one, man.
And you. I know Combo also.
Oh, you know Tom? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, that's my fishing buddy right there.
I know.
How does that make you feel, Justin?
It's pretty good. It's very good.
He said, I watch all your videos. He is probably not lying. And the fact that he says, is that Justin? Can I take a picture with you? He said that?
No.
Oh.
She was bullshitting on that one.
Can I have your autograph?